The Telangana government going to the High Court and has now sought action against AI-generated content. We will be talking about that in the next few minutes. Telangana government has filed a petition in the High Court today seeking action against AI-generated content allegedly used to spread false narratives in the issue of 400-acre land at Kancha, Gachibowli. The Chief Minister's petition said that AI-generated content that was shared by celebs and politicians showing peacocks and deer misled the society on the Gachibowli issue and that it was a danger greater than the coronavirus. It names Union Minister G. Kishan Reddy, former BRS Minister G. Jagdish Reddy, celebs including Ravina Tandon, Dia Mirza, John Abraham among others, and has said that famous personalities from various fields added fuel to the lies by believing them to be true and posting videos and photos on social media. Now, actor and activist Dia Mirza has refuted Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy's allegation and said that it was absolutely false. Dia Mirza has said that she hadn't posted a single image or video that was AI generated and that the media and the Telangana government should verify their facts before making such claims. Well, the fact is, Dia Mirza didn't actually post any AI generated photo. Her posts that are visible on Twitter on 2nd April, 3rd April did not contain any images at all. The actor reshared several posts that highlighted the Supreme Court's order in the case, and so did other celebs. Now we know that the Telangana government's decision to clear 400 acres of land in the heart of Hyderabad had triggered huge protests. Several celebs had also expressed their support for the protesting students. Now the Revanth Reddy government is already on the back foot on the issue. Is he now resorting to targeting celebs and politicians? Is this the Chief Minister's desperation now that he's already in a soup over the issue and he's now targeting celebrities and politicians in the state? We will talk about that. Spokesperson of the BJP, we understand Rachna Reddy, spokesperson of the Congress party Ram Mohan Reddy, and spokesperson of the BRS Krishank Mane is joining us on the broadcast here. Let me take the first question to the Congress spokesperson here. Well, Mr. Ram Mohan Reddy, if I could come to you first. Why is the Chief Minister targeting celebs and politicians in Telangana over Gachibowli? Shouldn't he have verified facts before moving the High Court? Dia Mirza hasn't shared any video.
See, we are fighting for the truth here. That's the reason we have approached the court as well. Because the misinformation campaign which has been successfully run by the opposition parties, that is both BJP and BRS, in sharing fake narratives and false information and edited videos and AI generated images. As a result to our petition, our Honorable Central Minister G. Kishan Reddy and former Minister from Telangana, Jagdishwar Reddy, both deleted the Twitter post from their handles. The result of today's our action is the Union Minister G. Kishan Reddy deleted his post from his Twitter handle and former Minister Jagdishwar Reddy deleted his post from Twitter handle. Being celebrities, first of all, it is the responsibility of them to check the veracity of the information.
Is that so, Rachna Reddy? I would like to take an answer from you on that. But yes, Mr. Ram Mohan Reddy, before I go to Rachna Reddy, are you saying that the videos that showed peacocks screeching in the background when your government, when the Congress government in the state brought in the JCBs on that very night when deforestation was carried out, were those videos fake? Mr. Ram Mohan Reddy, this is a question to you. Is the Congress government saying that video was fake?
See, there are so many videos which has been carried from other states, just like antelopes which are roaming on roads. They were claiming it to be like those antelopes
I'm talking about the video that's been viral on social media. I've also seen it. peacocks were screeching in the background when the JCBs were brought. We have the
The
pictures before the deforestation was carried, before the deforestation, and after the deforestation exercise was carried out. The whole area was wiped clean, and there were screeches that were being heard. I'll come back to you. Rachna Reddy, let me take a response from you. Did the BJP leaders delete those videos? Were there videos that that showed that the videos specifically I'm talking about, you would know about that? Were those videos fake?
The BJP leaders, or rather Mr. Kishan Reddy ji, whom the Congress spokesperson is specifically referring to, did not share a video. It was an image along with the narrative of the fact that he also was the one who wrote to the Ministry of Environment and Forest to look into what is happening. What is happening in the state of Hyderabad, and to see if there is any veracity in it. So there was absolutely no video, and so far the Congress government has not come up with any claims as to how they have discovered that the veracity of these alleged videos is AI generated or not. Because here the Congress government has been caught on a back foot. They are. Mr. Revanth Reddy right now is like a deer in headlights, because he's not sure what to say and what not to say. Here is a man who until last week claims that he wants to auction it off to an IT park, claiming all along, even in court during proceedings, that it is an industrial zone, without any documentation to show that it's an industrial zone. He claims all along that this is only a fight for ownership, when all along everybody, including the students of Hyderabad, was saying that we do not care about the ownership of the land, because that is between you, the central government, and the university. Okay. But what about the fact that because there is a lot of forestry and vegetation, and it ought to be a deemed forest, you need environmental clearances. You need permissions under the Wildlife Protection Act. Even if it is a deemed for forest, and you might not require a complete forest clearance from the Ministry of Environment and Forest, you need to at least apply to see whether a forest clearance is indeed required, even if it was not notified as a forest. So without any of these aspects,
so why
even
did the
if you consider it your land... Why did the Congress
government not do that? I mean,
they just did not. They just went with the fact that it is our land, and we will do whatever the hell we want to do with that.
Okay,
and now they make an about turn, and just a moment, ma'am. And now they make an about turn and claim they want to restore it as a Rajiv Gandhi Eco Park. Again, the dynastic Eco
Rachna
Park.
Reddy, I have to give some time to Krishank Mane. Ramon Reddy also wants to respond.
Yes.
Krishank Mane, if I could come to you. The Telangana government says that their image is being tarnished, and the BRS and the BJP are trying to do that. Who's trying to tarnish the image? Is it the BRS?
Well, absolutely not. They've done so much of self-goals and every day trying to do damage control out of desperation, because the fact is 10,000 crores has already been taken from Beacon trusteeship on these lands. And that is why they are not in a step to go back, and they are trying to damage everybody's image. And that is why they have come up with this new narrative called artificial intelligence. Number one, he's talking about deletion. Very well, good. CMO released an English press note in their official Twitter handle, in which Dia Mirza's name was there. And when Dia Mirza tweeted, boom, that tweet is disappeared. That tweet is deleted. That press note from the CMO. Number one. And if anyone has to be investigated for facts or anything, then first, investigation should be done on Chief Minister Revanth Reddy, because he was the one who stood in the assembly and said there are no deer at all. And this entire exercise by the Congress party is actually to defend that lines, that there is no deer. Isn't it fact that 2 deer were died? Okay, they will say that it was because of dogs.
Well, there was a study conducted years ago by the University of Hyderabad and WWF India that said there were 455 species of flora and fauna. I mean, how do you refute that? Ramon Reddy.
Madam, I'll just tell one point.
Yes, Mr.
Leave about AI, leave about opposition parties. When Supreme Court sent the High Court's registrar, what did he say? In written, he is given to Supreme Court that he has seen deer, he has seen peacocks, he's seen migratory birds, he's seen lakes. But the Congress government is so blind that they want to put cases, they want to speak against artificial intelligence. I mean, why so
Mr.
perturbed
Ram Mohan
and still
Reddy,
trying to
is the Congress
defend
government
your
making
wrong?
excuses here? We understand your party is already on the back foot over this issue. The Supreme Court has already wrapped the Revanth Reddy government over the issue, saying that what was the compelling urgency behind this deforestation exercise that was carried out, on that very
Let
night?
us confine to the topic of misinformation campaign. It is none other than the one who's sitting in this debate
Your
as
Ponguleti
a
Srinivas
BRS
Reddy
party
also has done a
spokesperson
But
was
Diya
the
Mirza,
first one
Diya Mirza
to
did not
post a
share
dead
any
deer.
photo, no video. Why did you
post a
put
dead
her
deer.
name? Why did you
Sought
put her
payment.
name in the
To
petition?
post a dead deer accusing the government.
You have released a
Later
raw
on,
survey
he deleted
report.
the
You
tweet in no
remember,
time.
Ram?
He deleted the tweet
Yes.
in no
But sir,
time.
does the
See,
government have any
the
problem with
exposing
celebs in
got-
general?
Which
I
is
mean,
good.
there have been previous run-ins that the Telangana government has had with celebs in the state. But why take Diya Mirza's name for no reason? She did not share any photo or video, did she? I'm asking you.
See, we are verifying all the accounts whomever posted this, fake propaganda, who supported this fake propaganda without verifying the facts.
Please investigate on
Definitely they
Revanth
will be
Reddy
held
first.
liable 100% because it is the responsibility of celebrities, especially who are powerful to influence the society.
Revanth Reddy accused one
It is a
for
moral
lying
responsibility
that there
to
is
stand
no
on that.
deer.
But those who made those claims,
So-
if
so
there
by
was the
this-
AI-generated
by this-
But as a
video,
result, today Union Minister
Ma'am,
deleted his
you-
tweet.
Okay, Rachna
And
Reddy
Foreign
also wants
Minister
to
from
respond.
BRS
Let me
deleted
take one
tweets.
response from Rachna Reddy. Please go ahead.
I'm amazed at what Mr. Ram Mohan has to say, because by this interpretation, I mean he's deaf, blind, and dumb, or rather the Congress party is deaf, blind, and dumb to everything that the High Court registrar has as an affidavit under oath
And
submitted
BRS
to the
leaders are
Supreme Court.
exposed.
That they saw
BRS
that
leaders are exposed. That's the reason they're deleting
that
the
he
tweets.
saw animals,
That is the
that he
reason they're
saw
deleting
deer,
their tweets.
that he saw
In
spotted
the
deer, that
capacity
he
of a
saw
union minister,
Why did the
that
CM
if you
he saw
propagate
peacocks,
lies,
everything.
if you
I mean,
share
this
an
is
AI
plain.
image,
Okay.
This is
Okay,
absolutely
Which is no
going to
relevant
the
to the
galleries
existing
and
issue.
ends
that
up
certain
defaming
tweets have
our
been
will be held
deleted,
responsible.
but the
You're
BRS is also blaming you for the same. And what is happening is clearly, yes, the
So we
Supreme
are
Court
not
has
going to tolerate
clearly
any
said that
misinformation
no
campaigns
work needs to be
being
carried out till
manipulated.
further orders in
The
that
brand
very area.
ambassador of-
You've all made your points, gentlemen, and also Rachna Reddy. Thank you so much for being with us here on the broadcast. Ram Mohan Reddy, spokesperson of the Congress Party, Rachna Reddy, BJP spokesperson, and Krishank Mane of the BRS. Thank you so much for being with us here on the broadcast and sharing your views. That much time we had on the broadcast today. We will keep an eye on the developments on this big story that we continue to track. Time for a quick break here. More on the other side.